What's up, Facebook? Check it out. I bought my bae something for just buying her a gift, man. So I'm finna surprise her with a gift, and I'm gonna see what she think about it. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. All right, here we go. Okay, y'all, I'm at the door. Let me see if she woke. Nah, she ain't woke. Let's sneak in here. See what she doing, y'all. Babe, what you doing? Oh, shit, she's still asleep. Let's see if I can sneak in here. Babe, wake up. I got something for you. Damn, she say she cold. Shit, damn, she cold. Let me wake babe up, man. Y'all give me a second. Let me wake her up. Shit. Hey, you done? You warm up? I think she done, y'all. I'm finna cut her off. I think she woke. You warmed up? Babe warmed up, y'all. She ready to talk. Check it out, babe. Look. Look what I got you. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah, $7.99 heads for you. Got them $7.99 heads for you, baby. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna get you a BBL today. Soon and very soon. Let's just put you down so we can get some light. Here we go. Get them $7.99 heads. There you go. Let me bag up a little bit. $7.99, girl. That's all we gotta do is get you cleaned up. That's all. All right. I'm gonna let you get back to rest. But I've been thinking about you, so that's just a token of my love.